Uh, Hey, it's your girl Imani Nicole. It's been a while, but you know, still living a joyful life. This is my channel, and it's all about the little joys in my life, things that I do: travel, eat, wax my legs. No, but welcome if you're here today. I'm here with the plant update with my girl Anais. Anais needs to be repotted. She's doing really well. She's like pretty much all of these back leaves. Well, these two are new. She's got a new one right here. But it's time to repot my girl. And for those that are asking, was like, is she repotting in her room? I see carpet. Yes, and I have a vacuum. Come on now, like I live in the city. I mean, I could go upstairs to do that, you know, but no. So we're gonna repot. So I just watched a YouTube video, and I should probably have another one. Like, I'm just so nervous, but my friend was like, oh my gosh. Okay, so here we go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Oh my gosh, sis. Mama, we're trying to make moves here. Okay, there we go. I'm not trying. Oh, maybe I should have been repotted her. She's ready to like zoom out, huh? Is that what we have here? Like, it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at her. It's so amazing. The earth is so cool. I hope this is focusing. I love you, girl. Okay, thumbnail. Oh, she's so beautiful. This is so amazing. So I just watered her. I don't know if I should have waited, but also I was supposed to put, oh sis, I was supposed to put the soil in first. So here I go. This is exactly why I should have had, okay, mama, I'm gonna need you to not have a fit. Give me just a moment. I'm gonna bring you back out in a second. I didn't mean to shock you like that. And I feel like I just lost a... Okay, so we're going to get some of this potting mix. Ah! Ah! Okay, girl. Anais, I love you. Okay? I wish this was like something like, whatever. Child, thought it was. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh, maybe like 2 inches. I feel like maybe that's good enough. Oh, sweet girl. She's like, mama. Okay, I feel like that's good. We like that, mama? Yeah. Okay. So I feel like this is probably good. I don't know how long I've had this. But okay, so I need to make sure that her roots are pointing down, which I believe that is happening here. So am I supposed to like, child, she gonna let me know. She's gonna be like, Mom, you didn't do that right. I think at least for what's showing up or like pointing out, this will be good. Okay. So now we're gonna put some more soil in here. Okay, maybe this was a little chaotic to like do this in my room, but honestly, go judge your mother. Actually, just don't judge anyone. Don't judge me. This is really meditative, like I feel. I mean, I'm obviously not fully in the moment because I'm recording. But I feel so relaxed just like working with Anna. Sanai is probably gonna want to be repotted soon too, but I need to go get pots. Pots are so expensive. I mean, they can be, I guess. Who know where to get the good pots? Getting these soil pockets. Okay. It's just a little more. I don't want to put too much soil. Make sure she's got some room to breathe up here at the top. I think this is good here. I mean, I feel like I could still use this soil elsewhere, but cool. Baby girl. And we're gonna give baby some water. Now this just really just needs to get a good wash. I mean, it's just soil. But yeah, let's go get some water. Oh, I have some right here. Hope bottled water's safe. I probably take tap water. And I have a little nutrient thing that I got from one of the exes that I have not mentioned on here yet, but he'll probably get some airtime at some point. I've only mentioned one, honestly. Yeah, she's growing nice. All right, so we're gonna give mama some water. She boozy today, so we're giving her some filtered water. I really don't know if that makes a difference, but she will let me know, y'all, because she's been grumpy like the past 2 days. I think she just wanted some water. But now, like the lady said, we're seeing if there's any air pockets. We're letting the soil just kind of... Y'all, what do I do about bugs? Like, I feel like I've already talked about that and y'all are like, you still haven't figured it out, sis. No! I haven't. There's too much water. Child, how do you know? I think it's too much water, but I'm really not sure. So I'm just gonna hope sis you know, isn't mad at me tomorrow. Adds more water because it's not all wet up here. We gonna see. She'll let me know, and then I'll let you know. But that's my update. There's Planted with Monty. Okay, that was aggravating. But yeah, thanks for hanging with me. I'm excited to see where I'm at in next 3 months and the next 6 months. I can be like, all right, baby girl, ready for repot. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, follow right now. Okay, share with a friend. See you later.